Well, that was Kevin and Dave. This is their 1966 Mini pickup. They imported it from South Africa a year ago. So now they're stripping it right back and they want to get back to original condition to use it. They're going to do car shows and sort of take it out in the nice weather. Dave, back in the day, used to have Mini pickups and vans, and Kevin's had Mini since he's 17, so doing it together, and they're both got a love for Minis. So we're going to blast the whole thing back to bare metal, inside out, upside down. Got the panels over it as well, both doors, bonnet and boot, all look quite good. A little bit of filler, but hey, it's over 50 years old, so it's doing well. It's doing better than me. So let's get it blasted.
In a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life. Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time. Watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you know. Father, don't you let me go. City nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night. I need your love, I need your light. Like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night.
So that's that first bit of blast out of the way. I thought I'd just show you where some of the bits look really sore and horrible. It's just bad paint and bad filler. So here is absolutely lovely now. Yeah, a few dents and bits in, but yeah, again, remember it's 60 years old. Here was really bad. Yes, there's a, you can see it's a slight dent in here. And the South Africans do like a pot rivet. So also what's quite nice is that blasting all this filler right back is you're actually starting to get all some of these swage lines back. So we've got this one down through here. That was totally covered up. This one at the bottom of the cab. Just all the nice little definition parts around it. Usual, it's just typical Mini. Funny as it's blasting it, that front grille, I can't actually remember seeing the hole in them before. Or maybe because I'm not used to like being an early one. Thought went all the way, but yeah, it's all going well. So sweep up, have another go. Right, so that's all blasted. It's taken quite a bit because there's quite a bit of filler and fiberglass on here. It's been patched and repaired, but other than that, it's all good. So that's it. It's all stripped right back. Panels are all stripped back. So now it's just a point of get the primer out, primer all up. It's getting on now. The time now is about 20 to 6 on Friday. This video is going out tomorrow. You're seeing this on Saturday. And all being well, the boys are going to pick it up tomorrow morning as well. So let's crack on. Okay, well, this is about take 15 because all my microphones, camera batteries, everything have decided to die. It's been a long day today, trying to get this done for the boys to pick up tomorrow. So I've just done this already and everything went flat and I didn't know. So here we go again. So the car's all done. It's all primed up, cleaned out, ready for the boys. Panels are outside. I've put a picture up here. So that's all good. While I remember, just like to thank you guys. Last week's SD1 video blew my mind. Last time I looked, I think it was 1.8 thousand views. Loads of comments, likes. Can't thank you guys enough. It's brilliant. Makes my wife chuckle. Excited to get. But just makes you feel like all this hard work to do. I don't know if you guys saw the pictures this week of all the cameras up trying to do this. So it takes a bit of time and a bit of work, but a bit of a giggle. So as the ninjas probably going to jump over my... No, they're going to jump underneath me this week. Please share, like, subscribe. See if we can blow this video through the roof as well. As I say, the boys are picking this up tomorrow. So tonight and tomorrow morning, I've got to get this video done for you to watch. Just a little question for you guys. So we've got another channel, SD1 Baz, where it's the build of our race car and going back to track, and then when we're going racing. And we're having a chat this week, and instead of putting all the videos on there, wondering what you're thinking about us bringing them on here as well and merging them in. So you'll get blasting videos and some of the race build, and then us getting back to track. So can you like and put in the comments what your thoughts are. Would you like to see the car being built as well as the videos on here? Or would you rather them totally separate and keep the rover ones to the rover page and the blasting to here? Because at the minute, not too sure what's best. Thought all the content on here would be quite cool, but see what you guys think. So next week, we have got Lotus 11, really cool car. I'll put a picture up of the chassis we're doing. Won't be a massive video because there's only so much I can show you. You know, blasting a bit of tube. It's not going to be that exciting, but give it a go. Hopefully it's not going to be a bad one. Doesn't look too bad, but famous last words. And you guys that didn't see it, so have a look at the SD1 Rover. That was last week. Have a look at just Luigi, the Fiat 500, and obviously the subscribe button. All right, guys, well, that's enough babbling on. It's time to go home because it's late. I'll see you guys next week.
I'm taking it slow.